ओके आपके यहाँ सलाम से नहीं चाहिए जरा मैं أيشون nama apa?
Iyo, nama Mbak Lever.
Oke, akan sih.
Oh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami lagi apa ya ada jutu? Bodoh waktu debna, insyaallah ya waktu itu mata insyaallah waktu debna.
Kada iya rawaji. Oke, agak bo. Aku numani lagi.
Iya, saya buat tim.
Sorry, no, kung jasa ni, cara ko dekne ko, mame.
And they want to hear from you whatever you say, and please welcome. Sorry. I was told in Timothy. It's not a big deal.
Thank you very much. Ali, Hassan Wadia, all invited guests, Jaffa Yusuf, and all the artists. Good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Mine will be brief. Just to appreciate the fact that this afternoon we are celebrating talent from the Oromo community. I'm so delighted to see what is happening here. I want to encourage you to continue doing this. As Meshinoa said, through us, we are able to communicate and understand one another. So let us continue telling our stories. There are many opportunities within the film industry, and us at Kenya Film Commission, we are opening our doors to you so that you can come up and see basically how we can be able to help you as far as training is concerned. I will task Hassan Wario to be the unifying factor. After this, let us coordinate and see how we can be able to for specific talents that have been identified within the community.
audio and zero. Application
the rights of artists, also to nurture talent. So we are willing to nurture your talent and see that you are able to take your own story. So from today, let this be the beginning. Let us see more stories coming from yourself. Let us lead by example as we do every day. Without many remarks, I appreciate what you are doing, and I encourage you to continue doing this.